world is emerging through technology every day and people solving their problem using scientific way, we got a digital internship opportunity at leadingindia.ai in this pandemic. Road network extraction from satellite image has become a hot topic research recently, but it is difficult to extract road network precisely and automatically. So our topic is deep learning based feature extraction from geospatial dataset. To understand our model approach, let's dive into model approach with Hema. Over to
Thank you,
you.
Faizan. Hi, everyone. This is Hema Tumupala from MVJR College of Engineering. I'm going to talk about dataset, tools, API, and what are the approaches that we have come across for building up a model. So, yeah, let's get started. Road extraction has been in practice since ages, yet the work on effective methods is still in progress today in the state of the art deep learning. We have been provided with Sentinel-2 satellite imagery includes both satellite images and ground truth images. These ground truth images are used as labels in supervised learning for evaluation and prediction of our model. To explore and extract the data, we have used QGIS tool and Keras API and GDAL library in Python on Google Colab for a greater advantage of computational resources, GPUs and TPUs. In the pre-processing of our data, we have augmented our data to avoid overfitting of the model. And the satellite images pixel is classified into road and non-road by using semantic segmentation with the help of transfer learning. Over to you, Vinaya.
Thank you, Eva. Hi everyone, this is Vinaya Bomnale from Thadumal Shahani Engineering College. In this proposed model, we have used ResNet as the base model and PSPNet model for image segmentation. The input image is pre-processed and then fed into the ResNet model. This model will give the feature maps of all the images as the output. The feature map of an image consists only of the important features of each image. These feature maps are then fed as input into the PSPNet model, which will segment all these images, particularly for road features. In this way, we are able to extract the road features from each image successfully. You can see the flow of the algorithm on the screen. Now Harsh will give you further details about the architecture and statistics of our model. Over to you, Harsh.
Hi everyone, this is Harsh Dhamecha from Marwadi University. As Vinaya gave you a glimpse of our model, let me give you more intuition about it. So let's start with ResNet. ResNet is an abbreviation for residual network. ResNet is being used in neural network to avoid a problem of vanishing gradient and to preserve the spatial properties of input image. It has been found in the research that PSPNet outperforms the other model in scene classification. If you are more curious to know about PSPNet and ResNet, don't worry guys, we have put down the link in description below. You can go and check it out. We have used PSPNet to get a desired output. Let me show you our output. That's it from my side guys. Thank you. Now over to
I'm Karthik Singh
Karthik.
Rawat from Sir Padavan Singhania University. So I hope you understand our model and approaches. If not, don't worry. We have written a blog and the link is in the description. At the end, we would like to thank Dr. Kuldeep sir and Mayank sir for their guidance and support.
We thank Bennett University and Leading India AI for this internship opportunity.